After the press dispatch, we put a ton of mileage on the 2018 Suzuki GSX-S750. As an update, this is the altogether modified model initially acquainted by Suzuki with the US showcase in 2015. For 2018, Suzuki took this mid-dislodging strip and rolled out the accompanying improvements. The 749cc inline-4 has expanded execution this year from new crankcase ventilation gaps, diminishing pumping misfortunes, bigger airbox, overhauled deplete framework, and new fuel infusion mapping. Customizable footing control settings can be chosen by the rider from a handlebar switch. A major redesign is the slowing mechanism, which now incorporates Nissan 4-cylinder, spiral mount calipers crushing 310mm double circles in front. These are among the best brakes you will discover at this value point. The steel outline mounts changed suspension this year, including a 41mm kib fork with damping in a solitary leg that is customizable for spring preload. The preload customizable back stud mounts another swing arm this year with a significantly more pleasant outline than the old, boxed unit. The wheels are new, appealing 10-aught plans, which convey fantastic Bridgestone S21 tires, OEM spec for the Suzuki. Found on numerous Suzuki models now, the Easy Begin highlight enables the rider to tap the begin catch and afterwards sit tight for the motor to flame, as opposed to holding it down. The low RPM help highlight keeps slowing down when pulling far from a stop, and we thought that it was more straightforward on this bicycle than past Suzukis we have tried. Other styling and detail changes are depicted in our first ride report, however we should note, by and by, the new instrument boards which we discovered very clear. It incorporates, among the average information focuses, outfit position, efficiency range and mileage figures. The more we rode the new GSX-S750, the more we enjoyed it. It shouldn't astound anybody that Suzuki knows how to dial in a 749cc inline 4-chamber motor, however the power conveyance and refinement from this engine emerges. In spite of magnificent best-in-control and higher pinnacle drive, expect in the area of 105 torque at the back wheel this year, the GSX-S750 conveys solid and smooth increasing speed at road RPM levels. Pulling pleasantly from as low as 3,500 revolutions per minute, there is a great low-end and mid-run control for smooth, yet quick road driving. Power assembles directly to a yelling pull completely through 11,000 revolutions per minute. This bicycle is quick, exceptionally usable in the city, and highlights a portion of the smoothest throttle reactions we have seen from a fuel-infused cruiser. It likewise sounds phenomenal when on the bubble. Vibration levels are low for an inline 4-fueled cruiser. We never felt exhausted, or even pestered, by motor vibration in any riding condition. In all honesty, this is one of the smoothest, down-tuned inline 4s we can review riding.